Hi, I'm Emily, and today we are going to show you how to do a very basic car wash, just the absolute bare necessities you would need to wash your car in case you don't have a pressure washer or a foam cannon or all that great stuff. So let's go check it out. First, we have a wash mitt. This is our big noodle wash mitt for really getting the suds in on your car. It's great, highly recommend. Next, you're gonna need a drying towel. This is our new thirst trap. It's really absorbent, super effective at drying really quickly, a lot faster than just a straight microfiber or any towel you just have laying around. So to do the actual wash, we're gonna use Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax. So you'll get a wash and a wax in one. So not only will you clean, you're also gonna get a really shiny car in just one step. For the wheels and tires, we're using Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner. Super effective, super strong, so it hits everything in one, which is really great. And to use those, we're gonna use the wheelie brush on the wheel and the Big Blue Stiffy on the tire. Last but not least, we have our bucket for mixing in the soap and grabbing suds, and then we'll just be using your regular garden hose. If you have an attachment, it makes it a lot easier to control the flow of water. If not, you can use your thumb. So let's get to it. So first things first, we are going to clean the wheels and the tires because we don't want to clean the car and then do the wheels and have any dirt or debris or anything get back onto the car and have to restart that. So efficiency. So we filled up our bucket and I'm just gonna rinse the tire and wheels, and then we're going to use our Sticky Citrus and our two brushes. So let's go. So we're going to use Sticky Citrus on the wheels and tires. So we're going to spray it directly on the face and also on our brushes. So we're going to start with the tires using the Big Blue Stiffy. So spray. And then some on the brush. And then you just scrub. After you finish cleaning your wheel or a part of your wheel or a part of your tire, you can rinse off your brushes in the bucket to get rid of any brake dust, any debris, any grime that you don't want to potentially scratch up the face of your wheel. Next, we're gonna do the wheels. Same thing, spray Sticky Citrus all over the wheels onto our brush, scrub away. And we start from the top down so that any dirt falls down before you clean the bottom, so you don't have to do your work twice. And then we rinse that off. So we rinse the tire off. So you definitely don't want to use this dirty water to clean your car, even though it might not look super dirty, it is. So we're gonna get a fresh bucket of water. So now that we've filled our bucket with clean water, we are gonna get to our wash. So the next step is adding our soap to the water. We are going to add 2 ounces of Mr. Pink Foam Party because we're not using a foam cannon or anything like that. We wanna make sure we have enough soap and suds in our bucket to cover the whole car. So with that, 2 big squeezes. Next, we're going to use our hose to activate the suds. We need to rinse down the car first, so I'm gonna throw our mitt in here, get it all wet and get it going, and I'm gonna rinse down the car. So you wanna grab a lot of suds, and then we're gonna get to washing. We're gonna start on the top and move in back and forth motions to avoid swirls. So now that we've covered a bit of the car, we're just gonna rinse off our mid a little to make sure there's no dirt getting in our bucket. And then we'll go back in, get some more suds, and continue. We're doing this because we're not using a dirt trap today, since not everyone has one at home. And you don't want to continue washing your car with dirty water or water that's picked up any bits of dirt or debris that could potentially scratch your paint. So by rinsing it out periodically, you're gonna keep your car protected and can continue worry-free. So last step is drying the car. Today we are using the Thirst Trap. You can use any microfiber towel you have at home, but this is a really great option. It's our newest towel. It's microfiber on the outside and there's a chamois on the inside, so it's super absorbent. I can use this without wringing it out to dry my entire car. So that is what I'm gonna do. Here we go. So we just finished washing the car. It looks great. The wheels and tires are clean. We have a streak-free dry. We've got a wash and wax, so it's protected. It's shiny. It's really great. And that's how you do it with really basic products. You don't need a bunch of things to get your car clean, to get it looking really great on the road. You can buy some pretty inexpensive products and everything will come together. We also have other really great products on our site that make washing really fun, really easy. So check it out. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe down below, leave a comment if you have any questions or with ideas of what videos you might want us to make. We are open to trying anything. So with that, see you next time.